Hello and welcome to the PWORK Levo e-learning course. This e-learning course you will learn how to repair the PWORK Levo hook. This chapter deals with the repairing of the drive unit and the gear. To exchange the drive unit and the gear you need a screwdriver. Please make sure that you use the right bit size. For the drive unit and the gear you need a Torx 20. Now our technician will demonstrate how to exchange the drive unit and the gear. At the beginning, the cables of the drive unit will be disconnected. For easier access, we also recommend to disconnect the white cable of the battery chamber. To disconnect the cables, our technician removes the electronic unit a little bit so that he has easier access to the cables. The electronic unit is fixed with an additional sealing, so it can be that the removing process needs a little bit more force. In any case, please be careful when you perform some works on the electronic unit. Then the ferrite will be removed. As the third step, the mass screw will be removed. Now we come to the mass screw. After that, the cover of the drive unit will be removed. The cover of the drive unit is also fixed with 4 screws Torx 20. Here you see where the drive unit is placed. Now the drive unit will be lifted over the locking bin. Here is the locking bin. Now the housing of the drive unit can be rotated to the hole of the cable. Please take care to not damage the cable of the drive unit. Now the entire drive unit and the slipping clutch can be removed from the hook. So now we see the drive unit including the gear, and in the gear there is the slipping clutch. Now we start with the assembling process. For the assembling, please proceed as follows. As the first step, the drive unit, including the gear, will be inserted in the hook. Again, take care about the cable when you insert the drive unit. When the drive unit is placed correctly, rotate the drive unit again towards the locking bin and make sure to finally lock it. Afterwards, you can fix the cover of the drive unit on the housing. We recommend to fix the screws crosswise. After that, we can fix the mesh screw on the inside of the housing. When this is done, the ferrite will be placed on the cable and the cables can be connected again with the electronic unit. So first we place the ferrite on the cable of the motor. And then we connect the cables again. Cable of the battery chamber.